today to talk with you about our low power wireless power transmitter kit. And here it is right here. This is what you receive in the mail, and this is called a WP3W-RK kit. This kit is good for 1, 2, and 3 watt power applications. The output will be 5 volts, and depending on the configuration, 1, 2, and 3 watts, as I said. So let's just get started and open it up and see what we have here. So inside there's 2 sleeves, and on the one sleeve I find the TX and the RX. I know the bags look alike. I can tell because I'm up close. We'll be opening these up and seeing what's in the bag. And on the other side, you'll find extra coils because, like I said, it was a 1, 2, and 3 watt kit. So the 2 watt coils are already on the kit, and in this extra bag is the 1 and 3 watt for the TX and the 1 and 3 watt for the RX. And finally, you have a USB to micro USB cord. This is for powering up the TX. We won't be using this. I'll just be using a simple wall wart, but either works. This could plug into your computer or just a wall wart, and you're good to go. Okay, so what we have here is, first of all, out of the folder comes the TX, or transmitter. And you can see here, this is the 9235A-R. That's the chip, and you can see here's the coil or chip, of course, and here's the micro USB connector where this gets powered up from. The next up is the receiver, or RX. And again, RX coil, here's our chip. That's in P9027LP-R. And this is the whole receiver. And you'll notice on this, I'll show you later, we're going to put them together. And we're using the PCB as the spacer between the TX coil and the RX coil. So it's important to get the orientation of the coils right. And we'll talk about more on that when we replace the coils for different wattage kits. Right now, these are the 2 watt kits, 2 watt coils. So the third part is, as I mentioned before, this is a 1, 2, and 3 watt kit. So the 2 watt coils are on the board already, but you can change to make it a 3 watt system or a 1 watt system. And how do you do that? Well, let's say you want to make a 3 watt system. You've got a 3 watt coil that has a white dot on it. It should be this one. That's for the TX. And with that goes a RX 3 watt coil, which has a yellow dot on it. And that would be this guy right here, yellow dot. Yellow dot's on the back. Here's the actual coil. So these two go together, and here's the front of the coil for the TX. It's very easy to tell them apart because the 3 watt, like its big power, sort of, is also a big coil. The 1 watt is a much smaller coil. So here's a TX 1 watt, and you got a red dot. Here's the front of it. And with that, very tiny, is a RX 1 watt with a green dot on the back. Here you can see that. My finger's kind of big compared to the coil, so maybe you can't see that. There you go. And there's the front of it, right like that.